Look at the question number 26. If tan square theta is equal to 8 by 7, where theta is an acute angle, then the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is. So here 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ numerator 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. A plus B into A minus B formula ಇದೆ. So, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ A plus B into A minus B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A square minus B square. So, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta ವನ್ನ A square minus B square formally ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus cos square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So we know the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ or cos 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So cos square by sin square ಅನ್ನ cot square theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So here reciprocal of tan ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cot ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ cot square theta is equal to 1 by tan square theta. So here tan square theta is equal to 8 by 7 alva. So 1 by tan square theta is 8 by 7. So this is equal to 7 by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 7 by 8. Okay, so B is the correct option.